Hi, it's Pat here from Video Pro, and today we're going to show you how you can use your Blue Square Labs interactive panel as a lightboard. A lightboard is a transparent whiteboard that is made of glass with internal lighting to make the writing glow. The writing is filmed through the glass and mirrored so the orientation appears correct to the viewer. The technology is a great way for a presenter to write and draw while maintaining eye contact to deliver their message in a natural and engaging way. To achieve the lightboard aesthetic, you'll need the following: an HDMI capture card to take the image from the HDMI out to your laptop, a web camera mounted to the top of the panel to give you the correct visual angle, and OBS Studio on your laptop to act as a vision mixer for both sources. Once plugged in, simply open up OBS Studio and add in your sources, layering them so that the HDMI capture card is on top. Next, open your whiteboard on the interactive panel and change the background to green. Then, you can add a chroma key filter on the top layer to remove the background of the whiteboard in OBS Studio. Next, set up your audio, then you can either start recording or use the setup in a Teams or Zoom meeting via the virtual camera option. So, this is what it looks like on the other side. The first thing you'll note is that when you're writing on the screen, it actually looks as though I'm looking down, and that's because we've got the webcam mounted on top of the panel. However, if you can look past that, there's actually plenty of advantages to this type of setup. The first of which is that we're using a digital whiteboard. This means we can add pages instead of erasing. So instead of getting smudges across the screen, I simply click a button and I get a new, fresh page to work with. The second one is that we can add images to create a more engaging learning experience. You just need to make sure that you move this off to the side so that you're not blocking the camera view, and then you can grab a pen and write over the top of it. And the third one is that this is a portable solution. So being a portable solution, it means that I can wheel it from room to room. I don't need a dedicated space to actually operate this technology. It's also really cost effective. I hope you found that useful, and use the comments below if you've got any further questions. Otherwise, if you'd like to learn more about the Blue Square Labs interactive panel, check out some of the other videos in the series.